According to Cognitive Market Research, the global CNC machine tools market size is $85.1 billion in 2023 and will grow at a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 6.2% from 2023 to 2030. Get to know about the competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more by requesting Sample Page's latest published market research copy. Market drivers: incorporation of digital technologies in products to provide viable market output, market restraint, lack of training to hinder market growth.